How to apply for a PNC Bank credit card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, search for PNC credit card and press enter. Then from the search results, click on the very first link. That's going to take you to this page. On this page, you want to click on the sign on option. Once you click on it, you're going to find two different boxes. On the first box, enter your user ID. Then on the second box, enter your password. If you want your user ID to be remembered, check this box. Only do this if you are using a personal computer. Click on this link if you have forgotten your ID or password. Now click on the login option. If you are new to this, you can click on the enroll in online banking option and follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a new account. Once you have been logged into your account, navigate to the section of credit card. From there, you want to click on the view credit card option. You're going to find different credit cards there. Compare all the credit cards and find the one which is best for you. Click on the option of details to get more information on that credit card. Then from here you can explore all the benefits of the card, and if this is the credit card you want, click on the option of apply now. Then you will have to fill up your application, enter all the details correctly. After submitting your application, the bank will review it. If your application is approved, you will receive your PNC credit card by mail within a few business days. Upon receiving the credit card, follow the instructions to activate it. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.